Self-destruct sequence activated.
Hey guys, Josh bringing you another segment for you guys today, and today we got a big unboxing right now. Now what this is a sneak peek of what the 200 subscriber project is going to be. Now, actually, I want to go ahead and unbox it for you guys and unwrap this, so because I'm a little worried because it's a little banged up right here. I'm just worried that it's completely destroyed. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open this and see how it looks, and we will go ahead and continue on with the video, because this is our other project. So let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and we are going to go ahead and see what this looks like. Hey guys, it took a long time, but you can actually see it right now. It is the 1/200 scale model of the RMS Titanic, the most awesome ship in the world. That very history of it, Queen of the Ocean, Titanic, right there. And now I heard some people say that the Titanic was not exactly the Titanic; it was something else. But I think that was just a load of garbage. But you do kind of see that it got destroyed right here. Now, I don't know if that's where the bow of the ship is. I don't know if that's the bottom of the ship right there. But basically, this box here is completely destroyed. So I'm just hoping that the stuff that's inside is okay. I'm just hoping that none of the stuff didn't got damaged or nothing. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and see how, hopefully the main body of it's not damaged. If so, I'm going to have to give them a call and tell them about it, because it arrived like this. This should not look like that. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, I brought the camera up a little bit closer. That way you guys can actually see it. This is 1/200 scale. It does say right here, and you can see all of this beautiful artwork right here. But okay, good. But this box here is damaged, and it looks like they were a lot rough with it too. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at this right here. Beautiful artwork right there, by the way. This here looks like it got damaged. Hopefully all the pieces seem to be intact. Hopefully. This box here got damaged. And the box underneath here got damaged too. And also looks like this box here got a little bit damaged too, but it survived a little bit. Now this here, this is the main bow. This is, and also here's the, but that feels a lot more lighter than what it seems, but we'll take a look at that later. So let me find my scissors. We'll go ahead and cut this open. Hopefully this is not damp. Oh, it cracked. That is not good. That's not good. So here's the main body of it, and you see the biggest crack right here. And it is split all the way down to this right here. So I gotta see, maybe I can probably fix it, or because it really cracked a lot. It really got banged up. I mean, you can see The big crack right there. The main of it looks pretty okay, in great shape. It's this. It's going to take a little while for me to, maybe I can still. Now this is watertight, so I will try and make some repairs to it before we continue on with this build. But that won't be for a while, so I'm just going to have to leave it in the box for a little bit. But I just want to make sure that this here was not damaged, but it is. So I'm exactly a little bit upset right now with, and the United States Postal Service, they're the ones that delivered it. So we are going to go ahead and see about fixing this. Maybe I'll get some like caulking stuff to put onto this right here. Maybe put something on here because, I mean, water will definitely seep into that like nothing. So I'm kind of hoping that this here will be an easy fix, not exactly that hard to fix. And some of the frame did warp a little bit. I'm just really upset right now the way people treat their stuff right here. Because this is cracked all the way down here because it was so rough. We better see what the other stuff looks like first too, you guys. Now, if you kind of do see it's taller than me, that's just the way it is. That's the way the box is. So, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the parts that's right here. Because if not, we're just going to have to... This is box D. It looks like it was protected a little bit with some of this stuff right here. And that's all that I see in there. All the decks looks pretty good right now, so I'm not worrying about the decks. But I will toss the box away because that's real bad. Now this one here, this one was a little bit banged up right into there. And so far, there's only like little small pieces in here, so that's good. There's some other stuff right here. Look, there's the filament right there. Still in great shape. There's some chain. And here's some of the funnels too, so that's good. So funnels are not damaged, so that's great. So we'll go ahead and continue on. This is the one that really got destroyed. So I'm kind of hoping so far the bow that's going to be watertight, that's damaged. So I don't know if I'm going to make a repair for that. I'm not for sure. I got to do some research, see if someone actually out there knows how to fix it. I mean, I could get some caulking stuff, some watertight. Might just do that. Here's the base of it. These look pretty good right here. This is the one that got damaged right here. And so far this is not, look, this is starting to look good. Alright. So basically, most parts look pretty much okay. But as for this, it's not. Because sadly, this has a whopping crack in it. So I'm going to see about making some repair work on this right here to make this more watertight. I got a lot of sanding to do to make this work. It kind of did warp a little bit, but hopefully that will fix itself a little bit. So I'm going to see about trying to repair this a little bit to make it more, maybe put some weight down onto it to make it flatten up a little more, because it did kind of warp a little. And if I kind of take a look, it did warp a little in a couple of parts. But that's okay, because once we get all this right here put onto this, it will straighten up a little bit. But I'm just very disappointed in China. I mean, it arrived damaged, but it could still be fixed. But now there's another box right here, but it doesn't look that bad, so I'm just going to go ahead and just leave it in the box. I'm just going to leave it. I don't know what's in this one, but hopefully it will not be nothing too big. I might go ahead and do the frame, not the frame, but the, whoop, there it goes. The base to it, because as much as I'm expired with the Titanic, I've been a fan of the Titanic since I was a kid, since the movie came out and all that. But hopefully, maybe everything will work out just fine. Hopefully I can get this right here. I will let you guys know and give you guys some updates on it. So I'm gonna go to the store and find some caulking stuff right here. And maybe get some watertight, water-resistant stuff to fasten this up. I might super glue this right here just to make it more stronger. And now you're probably wondering, like, well, Josh, if you are going to make this into an RC, are you going to put some bulkheads in it? Well, matter of fact, I probably will for the electronics, because it did warp a couple, so I might just end up making some right there to get the shape back onto it. Looks like this here bend a little bit, because I do see a little bit of the sides right there. But hopefully maybe I can go ahead and just fix this right here and make this a little bit stronger. I just kind of connect it back into place, but I'll go ahead and fix this real quick and I'll let you guys know what's going on. Okay guys, I'm going to have to conclude this video right now because it's just being so much long, but I will keep you guys updated more on this right here, and maybe we will do a couple of tests, make sure that everything is okay, and hopefully all the sealant will work that I will get and make this stronger, but who knows. I'm going to go ahead and conclude this video. Hope you guys enjoy it. And basically the size of this ship right here, I'm going to need a bigger paint booth. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like if you haven't liked the video already. Go ahead and leave a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, hello and welcome. And if you want to see more of this right here for the 200 subscriber build, go ahead and ring that notification bell and hit that notification bell button. And also hit subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. And take care.